Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nimble email templates and sequences, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Nimble email templates and sequences, start by logging into your Nimble account. Navigate to the marketing section on the left sidebar. Click on email templates to open the email templates management page. Here, you will see a list of existing templates. To create a new template, click on the Create Template button. A new window will pop up prompting you to choose a template type. Select either a blank template or one of the pre-designed options. Once you've made your selection, enter a name for your template. Now, you can begin customizing your template. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, and buttons. Click on each element to edit its properties. Make sure to personalize your email by adding placeholder fields like recipient names. After customizing, preview your template to ensure it looks right. Once satisfied, click Save Template to store your work. Next, to set up a sequence, go back to the marketing section. Click on Sequences to access the Sequences management page. Select Create Sequence to begin. Enter a name for your sequence that clearly identifies its purpose. Add the email templates you created earlier to the sequence in the desired order. You can schedule the timing for each email within the sequence. Decide on the intervals between each email to optimize engagement. Once your sequence is complete, review all the details. Finally, click Save Sequence to finalize your setup. You are now ready to utilize your email templates and sequences in your marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.